what do we have here today? Hello YouTube, Copper King Recycling, and today I have this digital alarm clock. I'm not worried about the resale value as I found it in the garbage soaking wet. So I'm pretty sure nobody's ever going to want this again. Plus I wouldn't feel safe giving that to someone. In the plug bucket. Make some soup later. Whoa, calm down now. Alright, let's take these last couple screws out. Apparently I was already working on it. See if we can get it easy there. Maybe not. Let's try it the old-fashioned way. Doesn't seem to want to come out. I don't know why that wouldn't. Huh. Let's try it another way. Hold on a second. Let me see if I can take these last couple screws out. There, I think I got it with this other screwdriver. That's obviously trash. Oh, what's this? Oh, okay. We want to play that game? Speaker right there. Ooh, that fell off. Oh, hey. Where'd you come from? You off. Yep, there's another one. See a screw, take it out. Let me see if I can use the screwdriver one more time. I'm going to carefully calculate this. There we go. Oh boy. I don't think I'm taking the screw out all the way. Let me try that one more time. There. I seem to have gotten that last screw out. There. That's better. Now. Oh, look at that. Whoa. Well, that's cool. Where's the magnet? Where's... Of course. Weird. Okay. Anywho. Sorry, that was entertaining for a moment. Oh, what's... Oh, a little battery. Where are you? Oops. Get that in a minute. Give me all my stuff. Oh. Copper. Oh. You're gonna make it easy on me, are you? Have to get that out of the garbage. There we go. I see how this is going. Wait. Give me my copper. Well, that's easy. I'll just take this screwdriver I have here and get this last piece out. I don't need to worry about that right now. Get this piece out. Oh, really? Wow. What in the world? Oh, I see it now. Jeez. There. Just gently pull this back. Give me my copper. There it is. Cool. Put you in the bucket. Put you guys in this bucket. Oh yeah. Screwdriver back. Now, all these fancy electronics here. This is garbage. Look at that. Garbage, garbage, garbage. But, let's see here. Maybe a little piece of, maybe there'll be a little copper in here. This is garbage. You are garbage. Let's just see. Probably a little copper in here. Not always, but sometimes. Yeah. I see you in there. Alright, so I'll dig the copper out of there. Let's see, it's on here. Oh, there's a little piece right there. I'll get that all later. And, this looks like garbage. I am interested. Most of these little switches have silver in them, in one fashion or another. I'll be darned. Looks like silver right there. I know you can't see this, YouTube. That looks like a silver contact. Oh. Maybe it's not. I'll have to get the magnifying glass and look at this. Can't really tell. Or if you can even see this little teeny tiny piece of metal. You see it now? So I'm going to check this with the magnifying glass. Oh, there's probably the contact. Wonder if that has silver on it. That looks like copper right there. So let's just put that in the tray so I won't lose it. Let's see what else I didn't see fall out. Can't tell. So many things hit the ground and I have no idea, and then later sweeping up find them. Some circuits. Or circuits and chips. So I'm going to go ahead and save this board. I think I'll probably find a teeny tiny bit. Oh, these are buttons. I thought that was something else. So there might be some more treasures on this. Like right here. I'll check these switches. These are all buttons. Oh yeah. This might have some silver in it. Right in here. That looks like aluminum. So, this looks like a big old pile of junk, to be honest. See if I can't get this off. Aha! This little switch will probably have some treasure in it. Let's see if I can't just get one open real quick for the video. Oh, gonna play that game, huh? Yeah, what's on that? Oh, looky there. Don't know what's in here. I want to see it. It looks like plain old plastic. It's something interesting. Don't know what this part is. Oh, geez. Yeah. I'm not sure what that is. I will save it. I don't throw away anything until I'm positive I don't like it. Try to save everything except for the garbage. Throw that in the trash. Like even this, I'm not sure what's going on here. I'll check all this stuff before I go recycling it. You know, I might not take, if this had copper, if I knew this had copper in it, this little button right here, I might take the time right now and do it, but I'm not sure. So what I'll do is I'll just collect things like that. And then someday, when I'm bored, I'll just go through all these things, and I never let them get that filled up. Got to go do this again. Oh wait, that doesn't go in there. Yeah. So I'll go through this stuff later. Try to just break down the main part of it today. I'll take the hammer here and finish, the screwdriver, finish getting this out off camera. So, oh wait, check it out. It's a lot more broken than I thought. Clip this. There we go. Nice. Copper. Yes, copper. Score. More for the Copper King. Nice. Cool. Thanks for watching. I hope you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share all this video stuff. I'll put out more videos as we go along. Hopefully they'll get better. Having some technical difficulties right now, but I'm getting through it. So, until next time, Copper King out.